Hey guys, what's up people of the world? This is Mix D and you're watching the Mix Derulo channel. In today's video guys, meron na naman tayong testingin na Bluetooth microphone speaker. So, eto yan, yung ating Wester WS1860. Eto, makikita nyo, kakaiba yung itsura ng Bluetooth microphone na to guys, no? Makikita nyo para siyang condenser microphone ng itsura. Pero napakagandang Bluetooth microphone nito guys because aside from sa function niya as karaoke, meron siyang voice changer at meron siyang radio guys. So yan yung isa sa kagandahan ng Bluetooth microphone na to guys. And then on the side, makikita nyo rin na meron tayong Bluetooth speaker dito. Ayan, yung JBL. Kasi maraming nagtatanong sa akin kung paano ko ba ginagamit yung Bluetooth microphone with Bluetooth speaker guys. So napakadali lang yan guys. So standby lang kayo, ipapakita ko sa inyo after ko na matesting tong Bluetooth microphone na to. Kasi matagal na rin to, di ko alam kung gumagana pa. So itatry natin siya. So napakadali lang yan guys, no? Mamaya papakitaan ko kayo ng isang simpleng karaoke setup gamit ang Bluetooth microphone na to together with this Bluetooth speaker. So sa ngayon ang gagamitin natin for video purposes itong JBL Extreme 2 Bluetooth speaker. Anyway, itong setup na to simple lang naman. Ang kailangan lang is of course yung cellphone or tablet para sa ating instrumental or yung karaoke na backtracks, and then Bluetooth microphone and Bluetooth speaker. So kahit anong klaseng Bluetooth microphone yan, kahit anong klaseng Bluetooth speaker yan, pwede nyong gamitin as karaoke setup yan guys, no? And by the way nga pala, bago natin testing itong Bluetooth microphone na to, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na disclaimer lang guys, na yung tunog ng microphone na to is hindi ko palalabasin dito sa Bluetooth speaker na to. Ang ginagawa lang natin is actually gamitin ng sabay ang Bluetooth speaker at Bluetooth microphone. Ano ibig ko sabihin? Para sa mas magandang tunog ng instrumental or karaoke backtracks, ginagamit natin yung Bluetooth speaker. And then for the vocals, ito ang gagamitin natin, yung Bluetooth microphone na to. Bakit hindi pwede lumabas yung sound ng Bluetooth microphone sa speaker? Technically guys, ang Bluetooth microphone is Bluetooth speaker yan guys, na may built-in na microphone. And then, eto, JBL or Bluetooth speaker is Bluetooth speaker. Ibig sabihin, pareho siyang Bluetooth speaker. Hindi pwede siyang talagang mag-connect dyan kasi pareho silang Bluetooth speaker, guys. Parang logic lang yan ng male to male. Hindi pwede. Kailangan female at saka male. So, yun yung pinaka-logic niyan. So, yun ang ibig kong sabihin sa setup na ito. Hindi ko pinalalabas ang sound ng microphone na to dito sa Bluetooth speaker. Gagamitin natin ang Bluetooth microphone at Bluetooth speaker ng sabay. So, simultaneously yan. So, para sa ating backtracks or sa ating instrumental, lalabas ang sound dito sa Bluetooth speaker. And then for the vocals natin, of course, gagamitin natin tong Bluetooth microphone na to. Alright, so simulan na natin. Testingin muna natin tong Bluetooth microphone na to. Kanina pa ako daldal ng daldal, baka nainip na kayo. Masyadong mahaba yung explanation, no? But pagpasensya nyo na kasi napakamaraming nagtatanong sa akin at saka nare-receive ko na comment about dito sa setup na to, no? So, anyway, simulan na natin guys. So, ito yung ating gagamitin na Bluetooth microphone. Para siyang condenser microphone, no? So, i-on natin. I-connect muna natin siya dito sa cellphone na to.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Ayan, ready to pair. So, itong Bluetooth microphone is ipe-pair natin dito sa cellphone. Check natin kung lumitaw na siya. Punta tayo sa setting ng ating cellphone. Setting. So, i-connect na natin siya. Hintay na.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Yan, connected successfully. So, gumagana yung ating Bluetooth microphone, no? Ayan. As I was saying nga pala, meron siyang voice changer, no? I-testing natin yung voice changer niya. Ito yung voice changer niya, no? I-testing natin sa normal na sound ng microphone. Sound check. Hello, sound. Yung tunog ng microphone, pag ginagamit mo siya normal, para siyang may auto-tune, guys. So, parang medyo may pagka-robotic, no? So, yan yung regular sound niya. I-testing naman natin ngayon yung voice changing function niya. Sound. Hello, sound check. Ayan, hello, sound. Parang bata, alright? Okay, 4 yan, guys, no? Ito yung pangalawa. Sound check. Hello, sound. Ayan. So, medyo matining din. Matining ang sound. Pangatlo, sound check. Hello, sound. Oh, napakababa ng boses ko, no? Sound. Mic test. Hello, sound. So, yun yung pangatlo. Yung pang-apat, sound check. Hello, sound. Parang demonyo, no? Pwede mong gamitin to sa prank, eh, oh. Pwede ka mong prank. Halimbawa, patawag ka sa phone. Ito, gamitin mo yung voice changing, no? So, yan yung 4 na voice changing function niya. At saka, ang sabi ko, ano yung sabi ko kanina, meron siyang radio. Pwede siyang gamitin as a radio.
Aux input mode. The radio mode.
Ayan, radio mode. Okay, so naka-radio siya. Subukan natin maghanap ng istasyon. Ayan, yan yung radio function niya, guys, no? So, gumagana siya, no? May radio, di ba? Alright, okay. Stop na natin. Baka copyright tayo dyan. Alright, so gumagana siya. Ayan, nakakonect na siya. Pakinggan natin yung sound niya pag nagpatugtog tayo ng music. So, ayan, gumagana siya, guys, no? So, yan yung pinaka-sound niya. Gamit-gamit tong Bluetooth microphone. And then, of course, as I was saying, Bluetooth speaker siya with built-in microphone. Test natin yung microphone kung gumagana even though meron siyang music. Sound check. Hello, sound. Ayan. So, imagine nyo kung nagkakaraoke kayo, karaoke backtracks, pwede, di ba? Pwede. Sige, sample natin. So, ayan yung backtracks from karaoke. Yan. When I'm gone, will you take good care of everything? Will you keep wearing your wedding ring? When I'm gone, when I'm gone, will you take all the photographs? Maybe spending the moments in the past. When I'm gone. Ayan, ganun lang kasimple, di ba? Sound check, hello sound. Ayan, di ba? Klarong-klaro yung karaoke backtracks, guys. When I'm all alone, pretending love will come along. And even when you're gone, still that love lingers on. Then suddenly I face such emptiness, and on the evening just like this brings loneliness. Alright, diba? Napakaganda na ng tunog niya, diba? Pero mamaya, susubukan natin with this JBL speaker mamaya. Hintayin nyo lang. Sasampling ko lang kung gaano nakaganda yung mismong Bluetooth microphone pa lang ang gamit nyo. Maganda na. For always and you want me by your side, whispering the words, I'll always love you. And forever I will be your lover. And I know if you really care, I will always be there now. Diba? Ang galing, diba? Give me hope, the strength, the will to keep on. You're on my side when no one seems to listen, and only you can bring out all the best I can do. And I believe you turn the tide and make me feel really good inside. You push me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can't help but show. You break this heart and tear it apart. Then suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me say, and I'm with you to all the way, 'cause it's you who feels this emptiness in me. Ayan, alright, okay, napakaganda guys. Alright, so ngayon naman itatry natin gamitin tong Bluetooth speaker together with this one. So, once again, sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi ko po pinalalabas ang sound ng microphone na to dito sa Bluetooth speaker. Ang gagawin natin, magpe-play tayo ng instrumental dito sa ating Bluetooth speaker, and then for the vocals, gagamitin natin tong microphone na to guys. Alright? Okay, so simpleng-simple lang yan. So, i-disconnect mo lang itong microphone dito sa cellphone. So, i-disconnect mo lang siya. Isang press lang yan, madi-disconnect na yan. Okay?
Off input mode.
Okay. So, wala na siyang, hindi na siya, naka-disconnect na siya dito sa phone na to. Ngayon naman, i-connect natin tong Bluetooth speaker na JBL dito sa ating cellphone. So, i-on na natin tong JBL. Alright. So, hanapin natin. Punta tayo sa setting ng cellphone. Hanapin natin kung magko-connect ba siya. Double check. Uy, nag-connect na siya guys. Alright. Okay. So, subukan muna natin patugtugin. Tingnan natin kung... Kasi kaya lang naman natin ginagawa tong setup na ganito, yung Bluetooth microphone at saka Bluetooth speaker na JBL para mas magandang instrumental ang lalabas. So, pagagandahin natin. Kasi syempre nga naman, paggamit mo naman Bluetooth speaker na ganito, JBL, syempre yung lalabas dyan na quality ng sound is maganda. And then yung vocals natin, gagamitin natin tong Bluetooth microphone. Hello, sound check. Ayan, gumagana pa siya guys. Hello, sound check. Yung ating instrumental or karaoke backdrops is lalabas dito sa ating Bluetooth speaker na JBL. And then, para sa vocals, hindi natin palalabasin yung vocals sa JBL guys ha. Yung vocals dito nagagaling sa Bluetooth microphone. Sound check, hello sound. Alright, so subukan natin naman kung magkakaraoke, no? So hanap tayo ng karaoke song dito. So try natin guys, no? Alright, pakinggan nyo guys ha. So instrumental, Bluetooth speaker. Vocals, Bluetooth microphone. Napakaganda. Alright, ang ganda ng tunog, di ba? Ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who was so in love with you. And I may not have much to show, no diamonds that glow, no limousines to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to say, just take some time to lend on dear to this ordinary song. O, diba? Alright, so unang kanta yan. Sige, baka sabihin nyo, nagloloko lang ako dito. Try natin ulit, isa pang kanta. O, nangyayari is, gumagana sila ng sabay, simultaneously. Yung backtracks is tumutugtog sa ating JBL na Bluetooth speaker, and then for the vocals dito sa Bluetooth microphone ng ating vocals. Ganyan yung karaoke setup na lagi kong ginagawa sa mga videos ko na hindi nyo naiintindihan. So ngayon sana naman naiintindihan nyo na, kasi kanina pa ako paulit-ulit na sinasabi sa inyo, hindi ko po kinoconnect ang Bluetooth microphone na to dito sa speaker na to, sa JBL speaker. Ang nangyayari is, gumagana sila ng sabay guys. Yung instrumental karaoke backtrack sa JBL, and then yung ating vocals is dito sa Bluetooth microphone. Ganun po ang setup na ito ang ginagawa natin. So ganun po yung karaoke setup na pinapakita ko sa inyo ngayon guys. I'm only the fortune that heaven has given to me, and I try to show you each and every way I can, now and forever, and I will be now I can rest my worries, and I will be sure that I won't be alone anymore. If I only known you were there all the time. O diba? Ganun lang kasimple. day, and I slowly go insane, and I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stop the pain. I'll see you next to never, and how can you say forever? Wherever you go, wherever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, oh how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Alright guys, there you have it. Napakasimpleng karaoke setup gamit ang Bluetooth microphone at JBL Bluetooth speaker guys. So napakasimple lang, 'di ba? Recap lang tayo guys, no? Ang ginawa natin sa setup na to gamit ang Bluetooth microphone na to at saka tong JBL Bluetooth speaker is ang ginawa natin una ay kinonect natin tong phone, yung cellphone sa ating Bluetooth speaker para sa ating karaoke backtracks or instrumental. And then, disconnect natin itong Bluetooth microphone na to sa cellphone na to, sa setting ng cellphone na to, para hindi mag-agawan ng Bluetooth connectivity. So, ibig sabihin, naka-prioritize itong cellphone na to kay JBL Bluetooth speaker. Dinisconnect natin siya rito. So, pwede nyo siyang i-search sa setting ng phone nyo, i-unpair nyo lang tong brand ng Bluetooth microphone nyo, i-unpair nyo para naka-prioritize yung connection ng instrumental para kay JBL Bluetooth speaker. And then, i-turn on nyo lang tong Bluetooth microphone pagka naka-unpair na siya dito sa ating phone para lang naman hindi siya mag-agawan. So, para magamit yun ng tama yung ating setup. So, once again, ina-explain ko sa inyo na hindi po natin pinalalabas ang sound ng microphone na to sa Bluetooth speaker. Ang ginagawa natin is ginagamit natin ng sabay itong dalawang Bluetooth devices. Alright? It's actually using two Bluetooth devices at the same time. So, what is happening is the instrumental is coming out on the Bluetooth speaker guys, and then for the vocals we are using this Bluetooth microphone. Alright, so malinaw tayo guys ha. Okay, shout out to everyone. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Once again, this is Mix D. Keep on loving and keep on singing. Paalam, maraming salamat.